Welcome to Worldwide Business. I'm Kathy Ireland. There is simply no doubt that a business is only as efficient and reliable as the enterprise software it runs on. For more than 20 years, Datix has offered cutting-edge ERP and CRM solutions that allow businesses to run on all cylinders. Matthew Schuval, CEO, and Candice Evertowski, Chief Marketing and Business Development Officer, are here to discuss their business strategy and their latest software offering, Unity. Welcome to you both.
Thanks, Kathy. It's great to be here.
Thank you. So excited to be here.
Now, Matthew, can you please tell us about the challenges Datix has seen within the industry over the past 20 years?
Sure. So there's been quite a lot of shifts over that time frame. A lot of people wanted custom pointed solutions to start, and then moved over to, I want everything in one spot, one complete solution for everything. And now they're back to, I want some more pointed solutions and our needs of integrations between all them. So Datix has been able to ebb and flow with all those different approaches to how people use their software in their businesses throughout that time frame.
Candice, could you please tell us how Datix Services is helping companies face the challenges that are out there today?
Well, it increases their efficiencies, and then it also increases their ROI, which is a great benefit to all organizations.
In this Worldwide Business Field Report, we explore the successful deployment of Datix solutions.
Datix has been operating for the past 20 years out of St. Louis, Missouri, offering their designed enterprise software solutions to a variety of different businesses across a variety of sectors.
At Datix, we provide enterprise-level solutions around software. So whether it's an ERP system, a CRM system, or an e-commerce solution, what we do is figure out what's the best solution for the client and then the best way to implement that. So one thing that we do unique to the industry is we want to understand the client first. We want to know what their processes are, how they're successful, what makes them unique, what is their best practice. And once we understand that, we can then guide the software solution to fit into their business model.
Datix stands out from the competition because we have driven to bring on board business professionals to implement systems and provide business processes to ERP and to CRM systems.
Play Network is one of Datix business partners that has been successfully utilizing the Epicor ERP software system and has successfully integrated the system with Salesforce in all of their daily operations.
Play Network is a rapidly growing company. We currently have sales into more than 120 countries. So finding us an ERP where they could support us down the road and have functionality that we need in the future, not just what we need today, was really important to us.
Our integrated solution provides client-specific monthly reporting of case management and transactional billing information, which is of great value to our clients. The integration of Salesforce and Epicor shipping module facilitates automated email of shipping confirmations and tracking information to predetermined contacts. So that results in operational efficiencies throughout the organization.
Matt, could you please describe the specific business disciplines Datix offers its customers?
Sure. So we help them with their ERP solutions for manufacturers and distributors, helps their entire business flow from orders all the way through to their accounting, track manufacturing costs in between there, everything from start to finish basically. And then we also do customer relationship management, so how they interact with their customers and how they want to track that activity with sales and marketing. And then also e-commerce, so how they would like to interact from a web perspective. So we kind of are that all-in-one stop for them to be able to work through their entire customer facing and then supporting their customers from start to finish.
And Candice, could you please describe your target market? What type of businesses are a great fit for your solutions? A
great fit for us are these mid-size manufacturers and distributors. They're tier 2. We like to call them. So anyone between, about the $50 million to about the $500 million range in value is a good fit.
Matt, what factors differentiate Datix over your competition?
Well, we're a one-stop shop. So we have the e-commerce, the CRM, ERP, your entire company all in one shop. So we can help you from start to finish on your entire business, understand how everything flows together. And that really helps us for our other differentiating factor, which is the implementation execution. So when we actually approach your business and are working through either one of those projects or all three of them at once, if it might be that's what happens, we'll go ahead and not have a siloed approach, so we understand your business as a whole and can really help you all the way through, so that way something downstream doesn't really get heavily affected by something upstream. And then we also build our own solutions such as Unity, which we're going to talk about a little bit here today as well. And that really helps us to provide the overall complete solution to integrate everything together.
Datix deploys a variety of software platforms, one of which is Unity for Epicor ERP. Unity offers a quickly deployed, hands-off automated Epicor integration solution for Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics 365, and Magento. This state-of-the-art software embeds business processes in an integrated solution, allowing your company to use best-of-breed pointed solutions.
So one key differentiation for the Unity product is that we use the standard Salesforce objects and the standard Microsoft Dynamics CRM objects. We don't create custom objects and just force data into the system. We embed Unity into the business processes to make sure that you have the standard customizations, the standard configurations, standard functionality that we're not interfering with. What happens with the business is they have a business process. They have something they need to accomplish. So what we want to do is make sure that the CRM systems can still be maintained by the users without having to worry about what those custom objects are, how they interact, so that when you're using Unity, you know what you're going to get.
Transformation before and after for a client is traditionally to have a very loose process. Post-implementation, we have a very defined process from initiation of an ERP for quote to cash, where they know their system throughout. They can make confident decisions to better improve themselves and then lean down their system as well.
Cross-company optics has been a great win for this company. Before we went on to Epicor, each department operated very isolated from each other. Now we have much better access to see what those upstream from us are doing and how we're impacting those downstream from us.
Datax continues to work with us to drive performance and process improvements and to develop custom tools to help us better monitor, manage, and report our key business metrics.
You mentioned Unity, your new product, Unity for Epicor. Could you please tell us how it works and how it was added to your business model?
Sure. So Epicor is a ERP system which is for manufacturing and accounting. It's very rigid. It's something where there's a lot of rules. People have to click in the right spot. They have to have the really tight controls over their inventory and their costs. Sales and marketing professionals like to use more flexible solutions because they need to ebb and flow with their customers. They need it to be really easy to use, and so they use CRM solutions such as Salesforce or Microsoft Dynamics. What Unity does is it integrates those two together, so that way you can have the best of breed on either end. So CRM has the best of breed for that flexibility for your sales and marketing professionals, and then the ERP side really has all those controls and able to track all your costs and accounting, and you don't have to worry about a jumble of information or dual entry errors, anything like that.
And Matt, can you please describe the benefits UnityX brings to your business partners?
Sure. So UnityX actually helps with bringing in the currency conversion rates. So it integrates with xe.com, which is the trusted source of currency rates and the conversions between all those different currencies. So for international businesses, they don't have to worry about paying their high-cost accounting professionals to really enter all of that information every day. Unity will just bring that in every time, all the time, once a day if they need it, however often they need it.
We partner with Epicor because of its breadth of industries. It can work along a wide range of industry solutions. The other thing is just scalability. When you're looking at Epicor, you can go from 5 users to 500 users. The backbone is there to support whatever type of configurations or user count that the client has.
Our customers have complex hierarchies. It's very important to us that we have the ability to dissect and compile information so that we can see how a brand is performing at different levels, whether it be in aggregate or broken down by product, by region, any different way we need to analyze it.
We've undertaken development of a real-time profitability dashboard, and we're underway in final testing of a inventory and revenue forecasting module, which is going to help drive efficiencies in procurement and fabrication, as well as cost savings.
Candice, could you please tell us why Datix has chosen to partner with Epicor ERP, Microsoft Dynamics 365, Salesforce, and Magento, and how that is indispensable for manufacturers and distributors as they operate across international borders and multiple currencies.
Sure. Well, you just named all the best companies, so that's why we've partnered with them. It really helps, all the organizations, the different businesses operating overseas connect their businesses so that they're able to communicate, whether they're in the US or whether they're in Dubai or the UK. We have customers everywhere, but they're all seeing the same information, and it's helping their businesses stay connected.
And the other part of that is we also consider it's to help our clients with best practices, because they have a ton of great functionality right out of the box, but then we can also customize those solutions to whatever that business needs.
Can you please explain how Datix delivers successful solutions, and how would you describe your customer service after deployment?
Sure. So we have what's called our strategic solution process. A lot of companies call it an implementation methodology, but we like to change that to a process because we do a lot more than just the implementation. So we help clients really identify what does the future look like with this software or softwares that they're trying to implement for their company to make them more efficient, give them a platform for growth, whatever that might be. And let's project out over the time frame of this project, maybe time frame of the years, how we're going to architect that solution for them. Then we go ahead and actually implement and execute on that. Once they're live, then we have what we call continuous improvement plans to help them add additional modules, build on more functionality, support their internal staff, just continue getting more and more value out of these expensive systems that they're putting in.
Candice, Datix has a proven track record with several major companies. Can you please tell us how you utilize your success to capitalize on new business opportunities?
It's really the fact that we provide these solutions and increase efficiencies for them. Methods that they were taking maybe that might take 1 hour to do something, we're able to condense that for them through customizations and the software. It might reduce the time down to 5 minutes or less. So it's been great to be able to, relay some of that we've done for the companies.
And Matt, the software industry is constantly innovating and moving up to the next version. How does Datix plan to stay in the game and ahead of the competition?
Well, with all those partners that we've mentioned that we work with, Epicor, Microsoft, Salesforce, Magento, we stay certified with their latest and greatest versions. We also try to stay ahead of the game and work on the beta releases that they put out, as well as the people that we have internally and the people that we like to hire to work at Datix are business professionals. So they've been in the trenches, working through all those problems that businesses have on a day-to-day basis, and they really understand what those problems are and then come up with solutions to help that. So we take all of that together and really have a good internal tracking to see what really makes sense to really innovate and let's push forward to either come out with new products or different ways of approaching how we implement the solutions.
Could you please tell us what Datix has in store for the future?
We have really a strong worldwide presence that just keeps growing. We have projects in Dubai and the UK and China even, so we're very excited to grow and help other companies grow and be the best.
Well, congratulations to you, and it certainly appears that Datix has continued its 20-year commitment to providing valuable software solutions with excellent client implementation and ongoing support. I wish the both of you continued success. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks, Kathy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. For Worldwide Business, I'm Kathy Ireland. Thank you for watching.